Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2009 BMW R1200RT Boxer Twin Sport Touring. Beautiful condition, only 19,500 miles. This is the premium edition. It's got electronically adjustable suspension, heated grips, heated seat, cruise control. Beautiful condition. It's got the locking side cases and the BMW big trunk, engine guards, adjustable windscreen. Come on by, make your sport touring dreams come true. This beautiful BMW for just $59.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.